video of how Minifix connector works, follow this throughout. This is nylon socket. Place the nylon socket in its respective place and knock it with the soft hammer. This is the Minifix screw. Fix the Minifix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of given screwdriver. This is the Minifix housing. Make sure the Minifix housing is perfectly mounted in its hole. The arrow in the Minifix housing must be facing the hole in the side of the board. Place the wooden dowel in the hole opposite to the Minifix housing and knock it using the soft hammer. Now while fixing, make sure the Minifix screw is perfectly mounted. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. This is the difference between Minifix screw is unlocked and locked. Attach the bushes to the boards 1 and 7. Pick board 1 and place it flat on the floor. Pick the drawer slider and place it on board 1. Make sure the stopper is closer to the rough side and the screw holes are properly aligned. Tighten it with the given screw using screwdriver. Follow the same process for board 7. Attach boards 2 vertically to board 1. Pick board 3 and attach the L-clamp. Make sure to fix the L-clamp facing rough side as shown. Attach board 3 with drawer stopper to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Pick board 4 and attach the door magnet with the given screws using screwdriver. Attach board 4 with magnet holder to board 1. Attach board 5 and 6, ensuring the dowels are perfectly inserted in their holes. Attach boards 5 and 6 vertically to board 1. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Pick board 7 and place it on the already fixed boards. Rotate the Minifix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Make sure the rough sides are on same sides. Lift the product very cautiously. Ask your friend to help you lift if you find it difficult. Pick the back boards. Make sure the backboard and sideboard are at the same level in the bottom. Make sure the screw holes on the backboard are perfectly aligned with other boards. Pick board 8 and attach the metal strip. Insert the pivot hinges in their holes on both sides of the board 8. Remove the washer from the given handle and attach the washer with the screw individually. Attach the handle to board 8. Attach the board with the handle using the given screw. Follow the same for board 9. Insert the board 8 slanting and fix the door, one hinge at bottom and the other at top. Follow the same process for board 9. Pick board 10 and place the metal ring on the hole as shown. Hold the ring and carefully turn the board 10 and attach the drawer locker. Make sure to place the drawer lock as shown here. Attach the handle to board 10 with the given screws using screwdriver. Now, fix the mini-fix screws in their respective nylon socket with the help of the given screwdriver. Pick boards 11 and 12. Place the drawer sliders on the boards. Make sure the stopper is closer to the rough side and the screw holes are properly aligned. Make sure the stopper is closer to the rough side and the screw holes are properly aligned. Tighten them with the given screw using screwdriver. Attach boards 11 and 12 to board 10, ensuring the mini-fix screws are perfectly inserted in the mini-fix housing. Rotate the mini-fix housing 180 degrees towards the positive end. Place board 13 flat on the boards 11 and 12 as shown. Make sure the edge banding and drawer locker sides are the same side. Tighten it with the given screws using screwdriver. Make sure the rough sides are the same sides. Attach board 14 to it with the given screws using screwdriver. Pick the drawer, slightly press down the clip in the drawer slider and slide in the drawer. Your product is ready to use.